Hi, this is Doris Dike with Dike Law Group. Thank you for visiting us today. I wanted to talk about medical director agreements. I often get asked as a healthcare attorney, what's a medical director and the types of agreements that they entail. Now, a medical director is a physician who oversees the compliance and the medical necessities and needs of a healthcare business. That could be a physician business, that can be a home healthcare business, that can be a device company, that can be any type of healthcare business that physician oversight would be needed. Now, medical directorship agreement should be very carefully drafted before they're signed by either party. Now, for physicians, I always caution them to have an attorney competent in healthcare law to review your medical director agreement, because what you think is a medical director agreement might be actually something else. For others who are trying to utilize a medical director for their healthcare entity, be very cautious before you create a medical director agreement or have a conversation with someone suggesting that you're going to have a medical director relationship. Now, in the context of usual healthcare entities who are trying to have a medical director, they, especially for smaller entities, they try to employ a medical director to have physician oversight, and they pay the doctor a certain amount of money to have oversight in their healthcare practice. Now, depending on the state that you're in and the licensing laws in your state, we want to make sure that the medical director agreement doesn't circumvent corporate practice of medicine guidelines in your state, or doesn't circumvent any other type of regulatory rules that are encompassed in your state. So if you've got a medical director that you're thinking about wanting to work with, have me look at your agreement, or have someone look at your agreement that you are confident in, who understands the ramifications of having these type of individuals working in your practice. Physicians, before you start a medical director agreement, please make sure that a competent attorney is looking at the agreement. Again, you want to make sure the agreement is what it says it's supposed to be, and that the liability that you're taking, that you understand. Now, as a medical director, you do take a lot of liability for these roles. Yes, you are getting paid usually a nominal fee, but you are over the oversight of the organization. And if you don't think that you're going to give that organization your time, then maybe you should consider if a medical directorship is the way that you would like to go with your time and your resources. Thanks so much. Bye.